Hi everyone, it's Deborah, and I'm just going to do a quickie little demo about welding. And I know there's been a lot of chatter lately that you can't unweld something that's already been welded. Well, you can. It's true that there is no unweld button to push like there is an attach. That's the attach button. I know you can't see these very well, but you know down the lower right hand corner there's attach and detach and all of those. But you can unweld something once it's been welded. And let's just do it. I'll show you how to do it. So if you go into advanced and you can ungroup your letters, we can move them together. You can also do this with your ungroup icon right up here at the top right of your Cricut design space. Okay, we're going to say that these are welded. We're going to go back, select all, and then go down to the lower right hand corner. And again, I know it's difficult to see this, but this is just a quickie video, and we're going to weld it. Okay, so if you went in to make it now, you would see that it's all together, and of course you would, depending on if you're using adhesive or vinyl, you would either mirror it or not mirror it. Okay, we're going to cancel out of that because this is only about welding. All right, now if you want to unweld this, all you have to do is go up to this upper left corner that says undo and just undo what you've done. And that unwelds it. And as you can see, if we were going to make it now, and you can see up here in the layers panel, they're all individual letters. If you were going to do it now, they'd be separated. But of course, we're going to cancel out of this. The other thing you can do, if you didn't want to use weld, you could just simply move them however you wanted to move them and use attach, and that would, if you went into select all, you could go down the lower right hand corner in design space and attach it, and then if you went in to make it, it would be attached. However, the difference between attach and weld is that with attach, there would be tiny cut lines where the letters were joined. In weld, there would not be any cut lines, and I'll show you that in just a second. Okay, now with the two words, which we happen to use the word weld, the red one, the top one, is actually welded, and the blue one is only attached. And the reason you can tell is that it didn't weld these pieces together, it only attached them, so there are small negative spaces that are weedable. So you would, if they were attached, those would be not empty, I mean you'd have to weed them out, but you can tell that they're not welded, they're just attached. And this, between the E and the L and the D, are welded. Okay, thanks everyone, bye. Please sign up for our YouTube channel and hit the bell button so you'll be notified of all new tutorials. Thanks again, everyone.